Welcome to 2050 Allenwood Road in beautiful Wall, New Jersey. I'm your host, Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate, and this is your open house recap. This beautiful center hall colonial opens to a two-story foyer with gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the first floor of the home. There is an elegant formal living room or library off the main hallway as you enter the home. This 5-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home features an open concept floor plan between the kitchen and the great room. An elegant butler's pantry, complete with wine refrigerator, connects the kitchen and formal dining room. The first floor also features a bedroom suite that can double as a home office, and it has a gorgeous sliding glass door to the patio, as well as a full ensuite bathroom. The elegant staircase features both a back entrance from the kitchen as well as a front entrance from the main front door. The elegant second floor master suite features beautiful windows overlooking the backyard as well as a comfortable sitting room. This room is a converted bedroom and can be easily converted back to the 5th full bedroom. The upstairs master bedroom also features a huge walk-in closet as well as a luxurious ensuite bathroom complete with soaking tub, double vanity, water closet, and shower stall. 2 generous-sized bedrooms and a hall full bathroom complete the second story of the home. A park-like, serene yard of nearly an acre accompanies this home. If you'd like to take an in-person tour of 2050 Allenwood Road in Wall, New Jersey, just reach out to me, Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate at 732-212-0440.